Philippines! We're driving to my sister's house again. Take care of her cat because they're away. They're out of state, so we have to go there twice a day. It's about a half hour away.
Hey, lady.
This is where we're heading.
Have you talked to me? Tongue.
Video looks a little blurry.
Huh?
Video looks a little blurry, like not really
Hey, you don't even know how to do it, love. My goodness.
What am I doing? Just videoing the street.
He's vlogging, but you're too close to me. Your face is so clearly
That's the idea. People want to
destructible.
see your clearly destructible face.
Honey! Hanga tongue.
Alright, well we're headed over there. Can't be too close to her clearly destructible face. Oh, what's that next street?
No, this is skunky. Anyway, guys, I told my husband to sing if he know the song like hey lady da 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 di da di da di da di da tonga tonga tong.
Guys, you know that song? Ting a ting a tong a tong.
Oh my god. But you know that song, right?
Yeah, no. At least not the way you sing it. Maybe if I hear the real song. Alright, I'm shutting the video because it's just boring taking pictures of a street. Clouds don't look very nice tonight. Weird. Hi guys. We just got home. Took care of the cat. Got some food for the animals. I'm using this foot machine over here. My son's over here taking my spot on the couch. Poor Rachi, she lost her spot. And my wife is napping. And the other, let's see, we got Dimples over there on a chair or curled up on a chair. And Misty is roaming around here somewhere. I hear her toes. I hear toenails, but I don't see her. But I know she's over by my wife somewhere. And that's where we're at. So, that's it. I figure if I use the machine a few times, maybe things improve. Alright, just a short one. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.
Oh, come on. Roxy. You don't listen, no? Pinupost-post niya ito, guys, ba? Nakakaloka. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Lag ulo mo, ha? Come on, monkey. Monkey, come on. Come on, go pee here. Come on. Come on, go pee. Right here, Misty, right here. Ay, pagkagahig ulo nitong mga kigwa. Meron akong ipakita sa inyo. Hindi nakita ng bunny rabbit. Kaya andyan pa siya. And ngayon, aalis na naman kami. Saan kami magpunta? Pusa. Pero may ibang agenda si Mister. Ang agenda lang naman niya is magpunta na naman sa tindahan. Guys, tulungan nyo naman ako, guys. Tulungan nyo naman ako.
What are we buying?
Say hi.
Hi guys.
What are you buying?
Dog food, because you want to wait until they're starving before we buy food.
Yeah, because guys, we have a lot of chicken and then they are starving. Okay? Tommy's imagination. Okay guys, tingin lang kami dito ng ano. This is nice. Look. Tingnan lang namin ito. Look at this. Parang interesado kasi kami mag-RV guys. Mag-travel. Freedom. You can, how do you call that? Oh, ang ganda, oy. Nice, oh. Let me see. No price, hon?
22.
Huh?
2022.
Oh, no. It's Ford, guys, oh. This is... Mahal ito, guys. Oh my God. Ang ganda naman ito, oy. Ito yung hinahanap ko, guys. Ito yung hinahanap ko, oh. I don't know kung converted na ba siya sa loob. Hindi ko alam. Ang daming nagtinda dito ng ganito pala. Han! Nice, hon. What's inside, hon? Converted already? Oh, this is probably expensive. Look, oh, punk.
It doesn't have a pot. They drop in the place.
Oh, this one. Yes, you can. This one.
No, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
So you can put your trailer here and protect it from the rain
Yeah.
and sun.
How do you know how much is this?
I know it's a funny too.
This one too is nice. Oh, look. Hi.
How you doing?
Yun na nga guys, napunta naman kami sa Walmart, bumili na naman kami ng pagkain kasi yun yung ano namin. At saka yung RV, explain ko mamaya guys, gustong gusto talaga namin mag RV. Yun, pero ngayon, ito na naman tayo, bili-bili tayo ng mga pagkain nila guys. Kasi guys, marami na po silang pagkain doon sa basement namin. Pero kulang pa yun para kay Tami. Nag-imbak din yung mga asot pusa namin katulad sa ginawa para sa amin. Kung sino man gustong may mga hayop dyan guys, mag-alaga, ay nako, i-ready ninyo yung mga pitaka ninyo guys, mga wallet kasi magasto. So ngayon, sabi ko kay Tami, ako naman ang gagasto ngayon ha, bibili tayo ng scented, yung mga essential oil guys. Kasi natapon yung akin, yung bago, natapon. Akala ko empty. So, ang gusto ko lang naman is peppermint, mga essential oil pang pabango sa bahay guys, yun lang naman. Yun, nakahanap din tayo ng peppermint. Ang bango kasi niyan guys kapag ganyan yung ilagay nyo sa bahay. At pumunta ako sa mga baby para bumili ng pangpunas ng puwet. Yun yung gamit ko guys, punas. Hanapin lang natin si Mister kasi bumili daw siya ng mga damit niya. Pero yun, may nabili siya at nawala na naman. So hanapin ko na naman. Yun, andun pala siya sa mga spray pang cleaning. O diba, ang dami na sa bahay namin. At ito yung binili niya. Binilhan ako ng maraming cereal na naman. Masaya na naman ang tiyan. Hi guys! So ngayon guys, tumingin kami sa RV. Tinitignan namin yon. Galing kami sa Walmart. Pero yung RV kasi 2022 pala at alam nyo naman, RAM pa siya. Ford, right? That was Ford. You know, second hand pa lang ng RV guys na mga ganon. It is expensive. Expensive. So, it's 2022. Ay, sabi pa ni Tami, maybe it's a leftover. No one bought it. So, it's still expensive probably. So, you know, it's not probably. It's really expensive. Probably $100 something. $1,000. So yun, hindi na namin tinitignan, hindi na namin nagtanong kung anong presyo, pero umalis na lang kami kaya pumunta kami ng Walmart. Ngayon pauwi na kami. So yun na nga guys, yung RV kailangan namin maghanap ng second hand at saka para makamura. May nahanap si Tami noon 40,000, sayang daw hindi niya nabili kasi naghanap pa ako ng maliit pa kasi gusto ko yung maliit ma-drive ko. At sabi pa nga ni Tami, makahanap din daw kami kapag palagi kami maghanap. May marami namang second hand doon. Dad is in the laundry. Look at that. He's doing my laundry guys. I mean, my, how do you call that? My powder Ariel. Tignan nyo. Na-busy man talaga siya. Ay. Tinubigan ko lang sandali itong hydrangea lamplight ko guys. Kasi kailangan pala siya ng tubig para maging masaya. Kasi kailangan niya maraming araw pero kailangan niyang uminom ng tubig para yung bulaklak is maganda yung resulta. Nag-start na kasi siyang magbulak so kaya kailangan ko siyang tubigan every time na mainit ang panahon. Meron akong nakita sa reels guys, yung mga cucumber pala kailangan din pala kukunin yung mga dahon sa ibaba para maging maarawan yung nasa ilalim. So, yun yung ginagawa ko. Kinuha ko lang yung dahon. At ito naman, ito yung blueberry or blackberry. Tinubigin ko siya guys para hindi na mamatay kasi sobrang init na yung panahon. At saka parang hindi siya umulan. Hindi siya uulan for few days. So, kaya tinubigin ko siya ng tinubigan. Look, ang tignan mo naman, ang saya-saya. Meron na tayong ma-harvest very soon. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Kita-kits tayo sa mga susunod na video. Bye!